Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about my loss on gold futures. Alright, so as you guys can see on the title of this video, I lost around $700 today trading gold futures, right? So let's go. I always start on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we are, let me close this out. We are coming here bullish, right? We did form a support here on the bottom. So we have a support here. We broke this area of support and resistance here that I have. So let me explain it clearer. So it's resistance here that turned support. And as you can see, price literally just broke past this level of resistance here and came up to around 23.48, came all the way back down, made like a retest some previous resistance, and then pushed up, right? So that was one. So right here, same thing again, price came down, and then you can see that there's this level, both of these levels are they're like in between a range, right? So around 23.24 and 23.48 basically, right? Price here on the left, also same thing, just came crushing down. So what I wanted to do today was I wanted to add a position here and break previous high, break these highs over here on the left, and then see a touch around the 23.48 mark, right? So let's drop down to the 1-hour time frame. We were holding up here on the 1 hour. We were holding up pretty good above the moving average. Price was holding here, and suddenly news came at 8:30, and I had an order here around maybe like 6 a.m., almost 7, and that was when I first entered my order. And I always do like this. I have let's just say there's a candle, right? A candle here with the wick, and then the body over here. Let's put this green. All right, so wick, body, and if I'm going to enter this trade, and this trade, the wick has started to come down, I always put my stop loss. So let's just say it's like this, another candle, right? And this one's red, smaller body. The wick is trying to come down, pulling down. I always put my stop loss above, well, a little bit below this previous low here, right? So this low here, I put my stop loss right below, so that price doesn't come and wicks me out like this and just takes me out, right? So price can come all the way over here and then form a new candle, and then this candle can come bullish all the way like that, right? So last thing, delete all of this. So I have my stops. Let's drop to the 30-minute frame, and I'll zoom in so you guys can see. So I have my stops. So this was my previous low here that I had my stops below, right? And this is the minimum, right? So it's right over here. This is not even like, yeah, that's like almost almost 20 points, right? So my stops were right around here, and I had buys until 48. And price just came, wicked me out, and then just reversed. And this was the high that I was trying to get above. So is my first TP over here. Even though it's smaller than my stop loss, I use this as a first TP, and then my second TP will be, where I actually want my price to be, right? So that was it. That was the reason why I taken out. That's why I lost $700 because of this wick over here and it happens. Price just came a couple minutes after, started to reverse and then make, form a new high, where we are sitting right now, right? So I followed my plan. I wasn't gonna, enter a trade, because the worst can happen is this candle just comes down like this. And if I don't have a plan for a stop loss, if I don't have a plan for a stop loss, I'll just lose more than what I would have calculated, right? So I calculated my loss over here, uh, and I got taken out, and the price reversed, right? So that happens. The bigger picture for this is I'm still waiting for price to reach over here. Uh, let's see what price is gonna do. But there's basically two options right now, right? Either we reach over here, and we gotta break this previous high over here. So this is the high that we gotta break, and we're right now. So it's either a touch here on 23.48, or we're gonna drop below this level here of 23.24 and start coming down, right? So this is no area for me to trade. I am not adding any positions. Let me delete. So I'm not adding any positions right now. It's past my trading time. It's already 2:40, and I might be waiting for tomorrow to enter a position. But again, it has I need all the confirmations for me to enter the trade, right? This happens, right? The wick just comes down, wicks you out, and goes your direction. But I followed my plan, and I can't be wasting, can't be throwing away money, right? So calculated the risk, it happened, and let's wait for tomorrow, right? So subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.